Welcome back to the Spanish revival. Spring is arriving and the almond trees are blooming. Today the firewood gets a new home in the old doghouse. We stack the wood in preparation to renovate the new pergola. We remove the old fence and do electrical works in the kitchen. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We decided to stack the old remaining tiles below the firewood to avoid direct contact with the ground and moisture. The pergola is quickly becoming emptied and we probably have enough firewood for a couple of winters or a lot of paella a la leña. Now on to some electrical work in the kitchen. It's a new day and we're detaching the old metal fence that the previous owner used to protect their cars from the Spanish sun. pergola is coming together step by step. In the next episode, we continue its renovation, we power wash the exterior of the pool, and we paint the pergola's metal frame black. Thanks for watching this episode. Hasta luego.